In this video, we're going to learn how to check if a sentence is a pangram using Python. So a pangram is a sentence which contains every letter from A to Z. A famous example of a pangram is the sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." So this sentence contains every letter from A to Z. With a pangram, we don't care if the letters are uppercase or lowercase. They're both going to count towards the letters from A to Z. Let's create a function to check if this sentence is a pangram. We'll call the function isPangram. And the function is going to be passed the sentence as an argument, so we'll have the parameter s for that sentence. Let's call this function with the sentence that we know is a pangram. Now the first thing we'll do is actually make every letter in this string lowercase, because that will make this problem simpler for us to solve, because then we only have to consider lowercase letters from A to Z. To do that, we'll use the lower function of the string s. So we'll have here s.lower. What this will give us back is a string just like this string, except for the uppercase letters will have been turned into lowercase letters. Let's output that using print. So here we'll call print, and let's just see that. So we'll save this, and we'll run this program, and here we get the string where the uppercase letters have been made lowercase. Now some letters like O here appear in the string multiple times, but for the purposes of determining if this string is a pangram or not, we don't care if a letter appears in the string multiple times or not. All we care about is that each letter from A to Z appears in the string one time. There's another type of data structure in Python called a set, and sets are not allowed to have duplicates. If we take this string and turn it into a set, what we'll get is a set made up of each character in the string as a string. But duplicates, like this O here, will be removed. We'll only have one O in the set. That will make our analysis simpler. So let's do that. What we'll do is convert this string to a set using the set function. We'll save this and output this, and if we run it, we see here we get this set data structure now, where every item in this set is a string made up of each character in this string here. But duplicates have been removed, so we only have one O in our set. This will make things simpler to look at. Next, we need to check if every letter from A to Z is in this set. There's a string constant in the string module of Python, which contains every letter from A to Z in lowercase. Let's use that. So here, let's import the string module. Now the string module has this constant, ASCII lowercase. And what this is a string with every letter from A to Z in lowercase. Let's output that to C. Here we'll call print, and we'll output this string, and we'll save this, and run the program here, and we can see we have this string with every letter from A to Z in lowercase. What we'll do is convert this string to a set. Then we'll have a set with every letter from A to Z. So here, again, we'll use a set function. We'll call it here, and save the program, and try it again. And we now have this second set made up of the letters from A to Z. What we want to do is check to see if this set here is what's called a subset of this set. What that would mean is that every item in this set with the letters from A to Z is found in this set, made up of the characters in the sentence. So what we're checking is every letter from A to Z found in the sentence? We'll use the isSubset function to do that. So here, we'll call the isSubset function, and we'll pass it this set made up of the characters in our string. And isSubset is going to return true if all the letters from A to Z are found in the set made up of the characters of our sentence. And we can return that as the return value of the function. So here we'll have return. And this sentence here is a pangram, so we expect to get back true. Let's output that using print. We'll call print, and we'll save this, and we'll run our program, and we get here true. Now let's try something else. Let's remove a couple letters here. We'll remove fox. That has the only X. We'll save this again and try it out. And now we get back false. So it's working. So this is how we can check if a sentence is a pangram using Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.